Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Donalyn Sahagun. I am 33 years old. My height is 163 centimeter and my weight is 59 kilogram. I don't have any long-term medication or maintenance. I don't have any history of serious illness or disease. I am married with 2 children, a boy and a girl. I am high school graduate. I don't have work experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong. I have work experience as a maid and nanny here in the Philippines for 4 years from February 2018 to October 2022. I work in a family with 2 kids, 2 adult and 1 elderly. My duties are taking care of the kids and pick them in the school, feed them, help them to take a bath, sleep with them in one room. I also do the house cleaning, marketing, groceries, cooking, laundry, ironing of clothes, and tutoring. I am willing to take care of newborn babies, children 1 year old and above. I am willing to do cooking and car washing. I'm willing to share job with another Filipina or Indonesian helper. I am willing to share room with other family members or another helper. I can also sing lullaby or nursery rhyme song for babies. To my future employer, I hope moms and sir, you will hire me. I take pride in my ability to work independently and manage time effectively, ensuring cleanliness and organized work. And I am open for feedback and willing to learn a lot of things. Thank you.